how to withdraw money from eTrade. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So what you're going to do is you're going to open and log into your eTrade and then look over here at the top section, our navigation bar. You should be able to see here transfers. Simply hover our mouse under transfers over here and we should be able to see different options that we have. And you're just simply going to select the transfer option. After you select that, you will be redirected to this page that we have. So over here, ensure that you have selected transfer and then money. Then we could choose transfer from and transfer to. First, select your transfer from over here and simply select your eTrade account. After you select your eTrade account, you can now choose your transfer to option. So depending on what type of account that you have, it won't sometimes allow you to select a transfer to, but on some you are able to. So simply select the option that you want and then simply after that click on preview transfer over here after you enter the amount that you want. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.